In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an Elementor page, a crucial skill to have when you need to revert any changes and recover previous versions of your work. Whether you're correcting a mistake or just trying to bring back a previous layout that you preferred, understanding how to navigate the Elementor revision history can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive right in and go through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to begin by opening the page you'd like to restore in Elementor. This is done by clicking Edit with Elementor. You'll typically find this option under the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard. By selecting this, you're accessing Elementor's visual editing environment, allowing you to engage directly with your site's design elements. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a toolbar that contains several useful icons and shortcuts. For our purpose today, we're interested in the History icon, which is represented by a clock symbol. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a panel that gives you access to all the modifications you've previously made to this particular page. Once you've clicked on the History button, switch over to the Revisions tab. This is a distinct section in the History panel where Elementor stores various saved versions of your page. These versions are automatically saved every time you click Update or Publish while working in Elementor, making it easy to track changes over time and revisit earlier iterations. In the Revisions tab, you'll find a list of past versions sorted by the date and time they were saved. This feature provides you with an effective snapshot of your page's development. Carefully scroll through these saved versions and select the revision you wish to restore. You might want to take a moment to consider which version best suits your needs before making your final decision. It's all about finding that sweet spot in your design evolution that you want to bring back to life. After you've identified the version you'd like to revert to, simply click Restore. This final step will reset your page to that selected version, allowing all the design elements and content from that point in time to be reinstated. It's like turning back the clock for your web page, ensuring that any changes you weren't happy with are promptly undone. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully restored an Elementor page. Remember, this tool is a lifesaver for managing your design workflow and maintaining the integrity of your creative process. Leveraging the power of revisions with Elementor not only boosts your efficiency, but also gives you the peace of mind of knowing that your designs can be easily retrieved and refined whenever needed. So, next time you find yourself in need of restoring a previous version, you'll know exactly what to do. Happy designing!